Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take decision and make it right. These powerful words were spoken by Muhammad Jannah, one of the most influential personalities gone in the past, includes the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Jannah. Muhammad Jannah was born on 25 December 1876 in Karachi. He is one of those spiritual leaders who, with his own leadership, skills, and commitment, have made it possible to make and create a separate homeland for Muslims. Muhammad Jannah, who, from his tireless activities and dedications, made our separate homeland Pakistan. Teri danish, teri hikmat, teri himmat, tera amal. Teri danish, teri hikmat, teri himmat, tera iman, nijat ahle Hindustan, hayat ahle Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam didn't let Muslims die with their fear. After the dream of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam decided to make this dream true. He worked hard without even looking at the time or weather, and today Pakistan is a part of the subcontinent. The hard work of Quaid-e-Azam, today Pakistan is shining over the subcontinent for the last 75 years. Quaid-e-Azam worked very hard for the creation of Pakistan, and even after the creation of Pakistan, Quaid worked even harder. It was really a very patriotic time. But today, the time has changed. بے-اثر ہو گئے سب حرف نوا تیرے، بے-اثر ہو گئے سب حرف نوا تیرے بعد، کیا کہے دل کا جو احوال ہوا تیرے بعد۔ تو بھی دیکھے تو ذرا دیر کو پہچان نہ پائے، تو بھی دیکھے تو ذرا دیر کو پہچان نہ پائے، ایسی بدلی کوچے کی فضا تیرے بعد۔